Have you looked at YouTube Shorts and thought it's useless, and that you cannot make money with such brief videos? Well, maybe you're not alone. We all know that YouTube's sweet spot to earn good money is at 8 to 10 minutes. But hey, people are making good money out there with YouTube Shorts. And that's why in this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to make money with YouTube Shorts. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to record anything, and you don't have to edit anything. You only need to copy and paste text in this free software, and it will generate for you unlimited shorts in any niche. This is legit, and such an easy way you can start earning with YouTube Shorts. Just look at this person here from the US who started from zero, and in just a few months, they already have about 1 million subscribers and earn over $500,000 a month from ad revenue only. The method I'm about to show you works all over the world and can get you earning free PayPal money in just simple steps. Also, in this video, you'll learn how to add multiple streams of income to escape relying on ad revenue. So, make sure to watch this video till the end to never miss a step. Hey guys, welcome to Money Machine. Here we will be guiding you with an exact step-by-step process on how you could start making money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification as you don't want to miss on new ways to making money online. And if you want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description box to get started. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. When YouTube introduced Shorts, some people thought it was the worst idea. However, it is surprising that Shorts are now pulling in over 6.5 billion views on YouTube every single day. Ideally, YouTube chose to introduce Shorts after discovering that human attention span is very limited, such that just a few people can concentrate on a single video for quite a long time to consume the whole information packaged. In fact, rumors have it that Shorts might soon overtake the ordinary YouTube videos. That means if you're not using Shorts, you're losing out a lot. But if you can choose to start now, you can be sure of staying ahead of the game. So the first thing I want you to do is a thorough analysis to discover the best niche for you. This is very important because if you choose a bad niche, you'll be surprised that your videos won't perform well. I'm pretty sure you've come across channels that have several videos published, but they are only receiving just a few views despite doing everything else right. But you've probably also come across channels that are doing exceptionally well, receiving hundreds of thousands of views in just a couple of hours of publishing. What are they doing right? And how do you find the right video idea that can guarantee you success? But even more important is how do you get to convert those video ideas into YouTube Shorts without having to film or edit anything? Well, I have the answer for you right here in this video. First, to establish the best video idea that can guarantee you success, you only need to look at the trending keywords. It should not take much of your time trying to scratch your head to get these trending keywords. Simply visit the vidiq.com website to discover trending keywords. This is a free online tool that is trusted by top YouTubers like Mark Cuban and Evan Carmichael, among other top-performing YouTubers. Now, once you create your account with vidiq, it becomes easy to start searching for trending topics. To discover your best niche, simply head to the homepage and enter the niche idea in this search bar, and it will reveal to you how many people are searching for that keyword and how competitive the keyword is in the market. That will help you to choose the best niche that can perform well in the market. You can try searching for cats, makeup, fishing, or just any other niche that sounds interesting and see the results. It doesn't cost anything from you considering that the site is absolutely free. But the value you get in these few minutes of research can go a long way in saving you the many hours you'd have wasted working on videos that do not get views. If you like the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new ways of making money online. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know if this method has helped you earn money in any way. Let's get back to the video. Now, even though there are several niches you can choose from in this video, I'll specifically demonstrate to you how to easily make money through YouTube Shorts by focusing on the facts niche, though you can choose any niche you wish. This is a good example of a YouTube channel that focuses on facts, and you'll realize that all his videos are very brief, averaging between 30 to 40 seconds long, and he doesn't struggle to make them. He only shares different facts which he easily gets from Google. You'll realize also that he subdivides the facts into segments to help him hold the attention of the viewers. This in turn makes YouTube promote his shorts more, considering that he holds the attention of the viewers. But before we proceed, I think it's important for me to mention that ad revenue from YouTube Shorts is much low, and that's why in this video I'll also show you how to maximize your earnings by adding other different revenue sources. By now, I hope you found your niche right. Let's now move to the second step, and that's how to create the shorts. The first thing is to get a script for your video. And now that we're focusing on the fact niche, head over to this site called effortlessly.com. This site contains literally any fact you wish to talk about. From the list, select one fact that you think might be interesting to many people. The site is well organized to help you easily find the fact that many people are interested in. There is also a menu to help you select the category that suits you. For instance, graphic design, entertainment, etc. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways to make money online. The next thing is to get the video done. And as we mentioned, you're not going to settle down and start editing. Things have become easier in this digital era. To get your video done, head over to the invideo.io site. This is a powerful tool that can help you create videos and even generate voiceovers for the shorts. This tool contains several templates which you can use for your videos. For instance, when you click this vertical orientation option here, you get to see different templates which you can use in your shorts. Just choose the template that appeals to you, and a new page opens where you see something like a timeline. You can always change the background by replacing it with any image on the left side of your screen. With your background set, you can now add the facts that you chose from effortlessly.com. Invideo.io allows you to change the transition and animation of the image you choose as your background for each list of facts. Just be sure to twist the information you get from effortlessly.com before adding them to the video timeline. Make sure each scene of 5 seconds has its own fact in a listicle way, and create transitions for each scene. I know this won't take you longer than 10 minutes to get the 30-second short done. Once you're through, head over here and add a voiceover using this text-to-speech software that comes with Invideo.io. All you need to do is to paste your script in this box, choose your preferred language, select the voice type, and click the Generate Voiceover to get your VO for the short. The last thing you'll do is to download the short and you're ready to publish it on YouTube. Now, before we end this video, I must share with you the secret to increasing your revenue, which I promised at the beginning of this video. And that's to include print-on-demand products. Simply visit the teespring.com site and you can upload your preferred designs and create your store for free. Once you have your store, the only thing you need is to promote your designs in your YouTube shorts, and at any time someone buys from the store, you earn a percentage of the sale. The site will handle the products, right from buying the product to printing them and delivering them to clients. The secret is to ensure that the shorts you upload are less than 60 seconds and ensure they are vertical. But also don't forget to add the #shorts in the title and description of your shorts. That's it for today, guys. If you liked the video, then smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways to make money online. And if you guys want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description box to get started.